everybody, welcome back to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. My name is Kathy Jarvis and today we are starting to organize the garden shed. Now, one thing I had to do, first of all, was improve the garden shed, which was last video. Now this video I am starting to organize. Now first thing I had to do was get everything out of the old little greenhouse, you know, the one that's falling apart. Yep, it's definitely falling apart. Now we still got some tomatoes in here that are working. My peppers are doing just what I want them to do. I want them to turn red now. I got all the green ones I want, so I want some red ones. So I'm letting these turn red, and once they're done, we'll take care of them. But I needed to clean out the shelves so that the stuff on them would not get ruined by the rain. So that's the first thing I had to do. And of course, there's still a few plants in here that could be outside, could be inside. These coluses have really amazed me. They haven't done anything all summer, and now that it's getting fall, they're sprouting up like crazy everywhere. Same thing with the rose moss. It's doing good. So I'll probably put those in the main greenhouse. But we're going to have to do something serious with this little greenhouse. It is no longer a greenhouse. It's a frame with a shredded cover on it. So that's the first thing I had to do, is get all that stuff moved out. I still got my garden bench, but I've been working with it with the peppers. So, and the water jugs I see there, they were there mainly to help control the temperature in the winter before I got the propane heaters, which I used last year. Didn't use it in this greenhouse because it didn't need it. The water jugs were enough. So let's see what we've done so far in organizing this little shed. Now there's no light in here yet, so hopefully we'll do the best we can. We've got the potting bench in here and some shelves. And what you need to do is think about what you're using it for. Like I want all my dirt and stuff to be in pots to be near the potting shed. So they're all up there along with the sprayer for watering and stuff. And then on the second shelf, I always keep some tools out here, like a hammer and screwdriver and stuff, just little basic things, nothing major. I keep them there. And then I have totes below to keep the covers and the plastic and things like that I need. So that is organized. Underneath here is all fertilizers and dirt, soil, smaller batches, not the big batches. And then I have my tools back here. This part I might have to reorganize because I'm going to put shelves here, but I haven't got them yet. And so I can only organize this side right now. But that's what we're going to be. This side over here on the shelves, I'm going to put more of the covers are here. I'll put those there. I'll put the summer stuff and winter stuff here to store. So that's what we're doing in the little shop. And I will have some light in here. I've got a battery powered one, but the batteries are out right now, so I have to go and take them in the house and see if I can get them to work. Now, we did go to the store and looked at some shelves for the little shed and really couldn't find anything that was the right height. Everything was too tall, but we did find these. We thought they would look great in the garage. It goes with the red and blue color scheme that I have in here. So we got these, and the one shelf that you saw in the garden shed came from originally from here. It was in fairly good condition, but the other one, the other one that was in the garage is the real reason we needed to get new shelves for the garage. However, minus the bottom shelf, the rest of the shelves are in good condition, or at least halfway good condition. And it is too tall for the shed, but if we cut this bottom shelf off, put these braces up here, this will work perfectly in my shop. And I'm going to paint it hopefully a spa blue to give a little bit more light reflection off of the into that, since that shed's so dark. So I'm going to paint it a spa blue. Can't say the word. Spa blue. And hopefully it will hold the paint good. It's paint and primer together. I'll wash this down really well. Sand off the bad edges. Rough it up just a hair. And paint it. And if it turns out well, maybe next pretty day or next spring, I'll do the same thing with the shelf that I already have in there. But then again, I might leave them. I don't know. The only reason I'm painting these is because they look pretty rotten. But I get free shelves, and he gets the shelves that he really wants. So it's a win-win situation. And plus, we're not wasting anything. We're just getting rid of junk on this end. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope you've learned something about organizing a garden shed. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for being over there. If you haven't, think about it and hit that bell icon so you know when I'm on next. So remember, dream big and follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.